Rangpur Riders match prediction. Let's try to analyze who will win today's match. Dubai Capital will take on Rangpur Riders in match number 8 of the 2025 installment of the Global Super League. Dubai won their first game of Global Super League 2025 against Central Districts by 22 runs. However, they come into this game on the back of 2 losses, having lost by 7 wickets against Hobart Hurricanes before a 57 runs lose to Guyana Amazon Warriors. On the other hand, Rangpur Riders have won both their opening contests by narrow margin. They beat Warriors by 8 runs and then won against Hurricanes by just 1 run. Pitch report: Providence Stadium track trend to flatten as the game progresses. Teams winning the toss can be expected to field first. Head-to-head record: this will be the first time Dubai Capitals will square off against Rangpur Riders. Playing 11 prediction: Dubai Capitals, Sadiqullah Atal, Rohan Mustafa, Niroshan Dickwell, Gulbadin Naib, Shakib Al Hassan, Sanjoy Krishnamurthy, JC Bhutan, Kadim Alain, Dominic Dirksen, Kais Ahmed and Kolim Sana. Rangpur Riders probably 11: Ibrahim Jadran, Sumaiya Sorkar, Kyle Myers, Yasir Ali, Nur Hassan Shohan, Ajmatul Omorjai, Iftikhar Ahmed, Mahidul Islam Ongkhon, Rakibul Hassan, Tabriyaz Shamsi and Khalid Ahmed. Probably best performance of the match. I think Kyle Myers is the best performer last 2 matches. Kyle Myers is the best performer of the Rangpur Riders team. Kyle Myers has been striking at 152 in the past couple of games this season. He could be expected to continue his race vein of form. Best bowler of the Rangpur Riders, Khalid Ahmed. Bangladeshi bowler Khalid Ahmed has started off GSL 2025 with a bang. He has registered 2 back-to-back 4-wicket hauls, 4 and 4. Last 2 matches, 8 wicket taken. Khalid Ahmed, who will once again hold the key of his term. Today's match prediction: I think Rangpur Riders will win today's match. Thank you very much for enjoying this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe button.